Hi, I'm David Rosen with Sony's Imaging Product Solutions of Americas. I head up our cloud applications group, and today I'm going to talk about how media organizations are moving more of their workflows to the cloud, and the fact that that necessitates having a centralized repository of information where they can manage content and eliminate redundant applications, reduce file copies, and provide secure access from anywhere in the world. Today, we're going to highlight how Sony's Intelligent Media Services, or IMS, cloud-based solutions unify workflows from capture through production and all the way into distribution. IMS was launched last year to help drive holistic strategy across organizations to help them manage, create, and distribute their most valuable content. Applications inside this portfolio include Sony's C Media Cloud, which enables collaboration and media management, fully cloud-based and SaaS. We also have XDCAM Air, which unifies our cameras to your facilities to enable ENG news production. And virtual production enables teams located anywhere in the world to produce live events, all without any hardware anywhere, except for the cameras, wherever they're capturing that content. And our Media Backbone Navigator X content management solution enables customers to manage content on-prem and is in use by some of the world's largest media organizations. And lastly, Crispin has master control automation among many other things, which powers so many stations across this country. This presentation will highlight specifically updates with Sony's C Media Cloud and Navigator X. Since C was launched 5 years ago, it's grown into one of the world's largest professional SaaS media solutions in the world. Customers include all types of content creators, from the largest media enterprises to the smallest independent professionals, and they span all forms of entertainment, including sports and broadcast, music, and gaming. And as you can see from these numbers, they're finding increasingly more ways to use C across a varying number of workflows. C's value to media organizations is best understood against the concept of best intentions versus reality. The expectations are that all of these various solutions are bought independently, each excelling in their own areas, whether it be content management or file transfer, collaboration, or transcoding. But each are bought with the expectation they'll work together in a streamlined manner. In reality, over time, what organizations end up with is a collection of disconnected applications that have significant functional overlap. Files are copied in multiple locations to make them accessible to those applications, which takes time, drives up storage costs, and makes securing that content increasingly difficult. Sony's C Media Cloud was built from the ground up to be a centralized platform where powerful media processing is brought to the content instead of the content having to be moved around to all the points of processing. Whether it's transcoding, AI services, media enrichment, or tiered storage, C is built for end-to-end workflows to save time and money, making your business more efficient. C has always let trusted teams work together in workspaces. The low-friction setup lets them move quickly and securely without administrative overhead. But once content is finished, it needs to be used by many different groups with many different business objectives. Historically, that's been done by moving content into separate systems, whether that be for sales or marketing or distribution, each with their own systems, each with their own costs. We're very excited to announce the expansion of C to include Catalog. With Catalog, we've just made the handoff from creation to exploitation, seamless and integrated experience. Catalog expands C well beyond the collaboration that it's been so widely known for, and into true enterprise asset management. It was built for enterprises that need to serve diverse stakeholders with various access controls that can change over time. And it leverages the same clean and simple user experience that customers have come to love with C Workspace. Now, in the click of a button, finished content can be published from C Workspace, where it was worked on by creative teams, directly into Catalog, where now it can be exploited and used by various groups across the enterprise. No expensive file transfers, no duplicative storage, and most importantly, no friction. Another major announcement that we'd like to provide you with is C's expansion of storage options for our customers. We're starting with Bring Your Own S3, which enables customers who already have a presence in AWS to seamlessly use C with content stored in their own account. Not only can new content that is ingested into C be stored in their own S3 bucket, But C can also scan existing buckets, providing a layer of transparency over currently unmanaged content. This literally enables a customer to transform an unmanaged content lake into a highly managed and accessible content repository with all the search, collaboration, media processing, and transformation capabilities that C is so well known for. This is exactly in line with the Movie Labs 2030 white paper, which dictates that content should not be moved around from application to application, but instead, those applications should be brought to the content. This is what we're really striving to achieve with C, and we think this is an important next step. This capability is available today, but we're not stopping there. Soon we'll be enabling storage of content in additional public clouds, as well as supporting on-premise object stores. Our end goal is to make sure that customers can store content wherever and however they want, while still providing all of the added value that C provides. Content volumes have exploded, and getting content in front of viewers is more important than ever. Shortening the time between acquisition and post-production is vital. While many of our cameras have supported integration with C for a number of years, others have used wireless adapters to enable the transfer of files. Sony is advancing its capabilities to unify the interface between our cameras and our solutions, and C is going to be benefiting from this very soon. In addition to be able to transfer files directly from the camera to C, you'll have the ability to transfer important metadata, which will help drive downstream workflows. This metadata can be used to efficiently organize files, to name them correctly, and to help with important editorial conform processes later down the road. While much of this presentation has been focused on cloud-based applications, we've listened to our customers over the years who've told us they need to be able to work in a hybrid on-premise and cloud environment. They want the accessibility and the scalability of the cloud, but at the same time require content to be located in their own facilities for certain key points of their workflows, whether that be editorial or playout. For a number of years now, Sony's Media Backbone Navigator X has been meeting on-premise content management needs for some of the industry's largest customers. With a combination of C and Navigator X, we're committed to helping customers work in this hybrid environment. We're building deeper integration between C and Navigator X to enable these two solutions to work together so that customers can work the way that they need to. For example, content can be remotely acquired within C and then seamlessly synchronized on-premise with Navigator X. Conversely, content that is currently located on-premise can now be seamlessly shared outside your firewall using C. We're also providing innovative combinations where source files can be stored on-premise close to editorial, where those proxies are also made available in the cloud, enabling secure access outside the customer's facilities. And for customers that are outgrowing their on-premise storage, they can archive in C, while still being managed directly within Navigator X, providing the best of both worlds and effective hybrid asset management. Sony is committed to providing media solutions for almost every use case. But at the same time, we recognize that no applications that we build can meet 100% of the bespoke requirements that our customers have. That's why we've built a modular set of microservices, some of which are listed here. These microservices can be incorporated into our customers' own workflows and configured to achieve their specific objectives and can integrate with their existing applications. These purpose-built microservices help bridge on-premise workflows with cloud workflows, and they can run in one or both environments. So this concludes our updates on how Sony solutions are helping to transform operations by leveraging the cloud. We hope you found it informative, and if you'd like to learn more, please come check out our website. Thanks so much for listening.